Hey, what's going on, family? Welcome, welcome. If you guys made it to this page so far, I want to give you a huge thank you. This is your boy Nigel with the Resume Plug. And if you've made it to the page so far, that means we're participating in the free career kit. The reason why I say thank you is because our goal was to get this out to 2,000 individuals. What this entails and provides is free resume templates, cover letter templates, LinkedIn guides, and a breakdown on how to get your dream job. This is not going to be any edits, no cuts. This is not an Instagram reel. This is going to be something that I'm going to knock out. All right. But I want you guys to literally go ahead and scroll and take a look at the free content. If anything piques your interest, feel free to go ahead and download it, send it to a friend. And if you can, man, shout us out on the gram, Resume Plug, or myself, Nigel's Canvas, because we want to get this out to as many families as possible. 2022 is upon us. We want to make sure our careers are intact as well, guys. Welcome. My name is Nigel Hammett, currently 24 years old, living in Miami, Florida. And I've worked at a lot of different places, family. I went to North Carolina A&T for college. I came out, worked at Facebook. I've done internships at LinkedIn and healthcare. I've worked with different types of backgrounds as a resume writer. But one thing that we see in common is a lack of resources and the ability to consolidate them. So we're going to knock all of that out. Thank you again for helping me get this to 2,000 individuals. Feel free to go ahead and shout us out on the gram if you like anything that you see. And if you're really, really interested in working with us, we do have a very, very special discount code right underneath this video, family. Thank you guys so much. All right. Holiday 2022 is in effect. Resume Plug. All right. The canvas is never blank. It is filled with opportunities, dripping in opportunities, guys. Go ahead and download this content. Take your time, go through each video, take out your notes, make sure you get it down and send it to a friend, family. Thank you guys so much. And I can't wait to hear your feedback.